everyone! Today I'll be opening Poppy and Branch surprise toy. Do you know what it is? It's very soft, it's furry, and most of all, it has a zipper. It is a bear cuddly! So this bear is actually soft, so we can cuddle it in the nighttime when we're cold and the blanket is too hot. This one, it's so warm. My mom, Poppy and Branch had it and they bought it for me. So let's open it. And for that, we will need some scissors. See? Okay, so that's Buddy. Okay, let's cut it out. So my dad helped me cut it. Here's the cuddly teddy bear. Talk to. Watch this. It can sit down here. See? Sit down and here's the arms. Clap. And we can pretend it's talking. Hi everyone. Today I'll show you a magic to make me turn into a ball. I will be a bouncy boingy ball. And you will call me beach ball. Here's the instruction to turn this bear into a buddy ball. You can call it a buddy ball, not a beach ball, I mean. You can really cuddle this one. Okay, how to fold your buddy ball. Place your buddy ball on its back. So I will place my buddy ball like the instruction said. See, there's a zipper and zip. Wow, it's magic! 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 Okay, let's read number 2. Flip the colored ball's fabric over the bear's shoulders. Okay, we're finished with number 2 and now we're going to number 3, okay? Let me read it. Tuck in the arms so your buddy ball looks like a turtle. So let's tuck the arms. Now it can't be a bear, it's a turtle. Okay, what's next? Number 4. Fold the head forward into the tummy. Okay, so let's put the head but it doesn't rip. Look, see, nothing happens. See, what's the next one? 4. 5. Zip up halfway. Number 6. Tuck in the left foot to the left foot and the right foot to the right. Okay. Zip shut and your buddy ball is ready to roll. Maybe it could be. And then zip. And then, ta-da! It's a beach ball! My bear said, I will show you now how to turn it into a bear again. But not magic. See? Abracadabra! Nothing happens. Nothing happens! Nothing happens. There's a zipper here. You can open it. There. And then you can do it here. And then zip. And then you can get the foot from here. See? And then another foot. Here we have the head and the body, and now the arms are here, yes. And then you can fold it back here, and then zip it. Goodbye, beach ball. So here we are, a teddy bear to cuddle. That's the end of the video, and please don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Goodbye, everyone. Huh? Barry? Barry? Hello, don't forget to subscribe. Very. Okay, goodbye. Okay, so let's subscribe now. You can even put it back to his house, this bear.